Hello, today I recycle gold from Exxon server mainboard. A method to recover the valuable metals such as gold, silver and copper, present in the scrap integrated circuits, ICs, was developed in the present study. Integrated circuits, ICs, have gold wire that is hidden inside. Today I use hot air guns to separate integrated circuits, ICs, from the circuit board. Is an easy way to remove the IC from the circuit board. I suggest you try. If you have a better way, please bring comment. For the benefit of everyone. You may have to be careful of the heat and exhaust rate. Should wear protective equipment for work safety. Some server mainboard has a chips BGA is very large, and of course, the gold wire must be longer than normal. And we will get more gold. Before we boil the chips and sulfuric acid, we had to separate the circuit board first because sulfuric acid could not dissolve it. It will make the gold wire stick to it. We will get two parts, the IC chip and the circuit board. I weighed an IC chip 83 grams. How much gold would it get? Let's see, because the IC chip from the computer server Sun is a kind of high in electronics and expensive. I use sulfuric acid 300 milliliters, boil with a temperature of 80 to 90 Celsius for a period of time. You must observe when the compound is dissolved. After compound is dissolved completely, you can pour sulfuric acid and wash and clean the gold wire with clean water. Importantly, you must be aware of the danger of sulfuric acid while pouring out and when cleaning the gold wire. Sulfuric acid is a chemical reaction when it is mixed with water. You may have to separate the fibers of the PCB. You see a beautiful golden wire mixed with die chips. For today I will use an easy method. By separating the gold wire from it, then melting, but in my opinion, AR Aqua Regia is the best way to get 24K gold. But the tricky side, if anyone is interested in making AR Aqua Regia, you will get all gold and get 24K gold. You can see that the amount of gold on the is quite high. 83 grams. The chip receives 0.7 grams of gold. If we collect all gold wire completely, I think that getting a little more gold, 0.8 to 0.9 grams. I hope my video clips will be useful for everyone. Please subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.